Hello, coin lovers. If you watch this 3-minute video, you'll know everything about coins. I've gathered coins from the UK, the USA, and Australia all in one place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to instantly identify which coins could be valuable or even rare. Let's start with the UK coins. Look closely at the year older coins from the 1990s or before could be worth more. Check the mint mark. Sometimes you'll find errors like double dies or misprints. And remember, shine matters. A clean, uncirculated surface can increase the value. Next up, USA coins. Always check the year first. Anything before 1964, especially silver coins, can be valuable. Then look for mint marks like DS or P. Some are rarer than others. Error coins like off-center strikes or doubled letters can sell for thousands of dollars. Now, Australia, their 50-cent and commemorative coins are favorites among collectors. Always look for limited editions, special designs, or coins celebrating events. Even a small variation in the design or edge can make a big difference in price. Look closely. Compare the coin's design to a verified image. Fake coins often have soft or incorrect details, blurry hair, odd letters, wrong portrait proportions, or missing dates. Inspect the edge. Many coins have reading, ridges, lettering, or a plain edge. Counterfeits often have uneven edges or seam lines from casting. Weigh and measure. Genuine coins have precise weight and diameter. Use a digital scale and caliper if possible. Even a small weight difference can mean a fake or a plated core. The ring test. Gently tap the coin on the edge with another coin and listen. Real silver and gold coins have a clear, long ring. Cheap fakes sound dull and short. Don't hit hard, just a light tap. Use a magnet. Most gold, silver, and copper coins are non-magnetic. If a coin strongly attracts a magnet, it's likely counterfeit or plated over a magnetic core. Also look for plating where color flaking or greenish corrosion. Don't clean the coin. Scrubbing or chemicals can destroy patina and cut its value. Cleaning is one of the fastest ways to ruin a collectible. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which coin you have. I might feature it in my next video. By the end of this video, you'll understand which years to look for, how minting errors can multiply a coin's value, and why the coin's condition changes everything.